The Redmi Watch Move is a sleek and affordable smartwatch designed to track your fitness and keep you connected on the go. Featuring a vibrant display and long battery life, it offers essential health monitoring and notification alerts, making it a great everyday companion. 1. Your next big move. Redmi Watch Move. 2. Brightest and smoothest. AMOLED display asterisk. 3. 600 nits peak brightness. AOD always on display. 2.5D curved screen. 322 ppi retina display. 74% screen to body ratio. On touch to sleep. 60 Hz high refresh rate. 390 x 450 resolution. 4. Ultra long battery life of 14 days. AOD 10 minutes charge is equal to 2 full days. 5 days with AOD. 14 day. 5. Advanced health monitoring. Segment best accuracy of 97%. Sleep. Heart rate. SpO2. Calories. Stress. Cycles. Breathing. Steps. 6. 140 plus sport modes. Auto detection of 7 sports. Outdoor running. Treadmill. Walking. Jump rope. Outdoor cycling. Rowing machine. Elliptical. 7. You move the crown, crown moves your world. Tap and scroll. Quick access. Easy navigation. Long press the crown to. Hold once, Q&A vertical bar. Hold 3's power off. Hold 12's force restart. 8. Your style, your moves. 200 plus options with India-inspired designs. 9. Style it your way with 5 customizable layouts. 10. Made in India, for India. Hindi language support. Festive watch faces for every occasion. 11. IP68 water resistance rating. Built to brave it all, sealed against dust, safe in water up to 1.5 m for half an hour. 12. A strap for every move. 928. 0816. Antibacterial. Skin friendly. Quick release strap. 13. Always on. Always moving. Quick replies. 110. Easy dialing pad. Access call history. 14. Segments best. Brightest and smoothest AMOLED display. 4.69 centimeters, 1.85. Segments best accuracy of 97%. Segments best battery life of 14 days. 15. 600 nits. Peak brightness. 322 ppi. Retina display. 2.5D. AOD. Curved screen. Always on display. 16. 60 Hz. High refresh rate. Arm touch. To sleep. 17. Bluetooth. Calling redefined. Quick replies. Easy dialing pad. Access call history. 18. Switch styles effortlessly. 200 plus watch faces vertical bar. 5 customizable layouts. Festive watch faces. 19. A strap for every move. Antibacterial. Skin friendly. Quick release strap. 20. Xiaomi HyperOS. Floating notifications vertical bar. Enhanced smartwatch UI design. Fluid animation vertical bar. Task sync with smartphone. Optimized power consumption vertical bar. Weather updates. Events reminder. 21. The Redmi Watch Move was launched in India on 21st April 2025 and is priced at 1,999 rupees. Don't forget to like,